I am going to show you how to meal prep very efficiently. I spent $100. I know that's not cheap, but it's like a quick meal prepping hack. I think everybody knows about this, but I'm not sure, so I will share it. But now you go to Whole Foods and you pick this salmon up. It has salmon, green beans, and potatoes. The potatoes are really good. They're roasted. So you pick these up. I picked up 2, so it's 4 pieces of salmon in each one. And then I picked up some fruit, and I picked up some spinach, some micro rainbow greens, and then broccoli, mushrooms, and all of the fruit is in here. So I'm gonna put the fruit over here because I may not get a chance to prep that right now, but it'll be next on the chopping block. Did you get the joke? And now that's both bags, $100. Yeah, not cheap, but I feel good because half of the food is already cooked. So at least I'm saving some time. I am going to wash and parboil the broccoli. This is already washed. And do you guys wash like the prepackaged stuff? If it says doesn't need to be washed, do you still wash it? Because I know some people do. I pray over my food, so we covered. And then this is triple wash, so no washing required. All right, now let me show you what time it is so you can see how fast this works. All right, boom, we got that ready for washing. I can boil this water. Let that boil, and I'm gonna salt it real good. And it is currently 4:04. And according to the microwave, 4:03. But you're gonna see how fast this is. Oh, and I have some sweet potatoes over here, so I probably should use these before they go bad. Oh, and I got some apples. So let's get to prepping. Let's see how long it takes. And then we got a little rice. This is 4 cups. 4 cups of rice. So it's already washed, and I'm just going to add, this is the key, add some olive oil to it. Bussin', okay? Bussin', I'm telling you. And this water is almost ready. Grab a little water. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, boom, that's done. Now, I'll pour a little bit of olive oil in here, swish it around. And then I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna let it cook for, I think it takes about 4 minutes once it heats up. And then that'll be done. Over here, got the water ready. I'm gonna parboil those real quick. Okay, rice is finished. Just waiting for it to kind of cool down so I can release the lever, the venting lever. Listen, when I tell you I love olives, Love them. I get eat them for breakfast. Now I really like making my carrots like this when I use them for salads. I just feel like it just looks so expensive. And then because they're so long, I will pretty much cut them. Okay, so boom, now I got my base for my salmon salads, but I'm not gonna put the salmon on there right now because I like to warm mine up and then just like throw it on there, add some olive oil, add some other stuff, maybe a dressing that I make real quick. But the base is out of the way. So get that, pop the top, let that simmer down. Okay, so boom. These green beans are always tricky because nobody really likes green beans in this house, but it comes with the meal, so we're gonna use it. And they're already seasoned and all that stuff. Now, I don't cook like this all the time. I usually do this when I don't feel like prepping nothing. It's better than McDonald's, it's better than Chick-fil-A, it's better than any of the fast food that's out there. Supposedly, I mean, let the internet tell it all food is dangerous nowadays, but that's another story. So we are going to cut these up because I don't like the combination of this meal, so I'm gonna make my own. Let's get our rice. And really good to me. I'm gonna do the rice and broccoli combination with the salmon. I just feel like we like this combination a little bit more. All right, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 prepped meals, two varieties, but look how much food I still have left. I'm gonna make something out of this. All I need is a protein, and then this can be grabbed and heated up to throw into my salads, or if I want to make a wrap or anything like that. But this is all the food that I have left over. And then I also have some more microgreens, and I have baby spinach. And that is how you stretch 2 pans of food at Whole Foods. All right, time is 4:55, and I gotta run an errand, so I'm not gonna finish like everything. But as you can see, I have 2 pans of food here and then a bunch of prepped food here. When I come back, I'm going to work on breakfast and think of what else I want to add to this other stuff so that on Wednesday when we run out of food, then I'll be able to do something with this. Or I might prep it and then freeze it. All right, so I'm gonna make a salad. Like I said, I'm just pulling out some of the salmon. I'm gonna put this back, pull out my pre-made salad that I meal prepped yesterday, and then put the warm salmon on top and a few other ingredients. All right, then I'm gonna make a quick salad dressing just using some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, honey, and a little salt and pepper. All right, like that. Give it a whisk with my little baby whisker. All right, boom. So then I'm gonna add the salmon on top. And the dressing. Lunch is served. This bump is horrible. Came from caffeine. I was supposed to film, but meal prepping hacks. I love them. I'm definitely not hungry, but if I was to get hungry, I would grab like a handful of nuts or some fruit or drink some water. All right, today is Thursday. The first meal prep day was on Monday. So I finished one pan of food. And then I have this one left. So I have this left. I'm gonna do something with the broccoli and the green beans. And if we don't go back for seconds for the potatoes tonight, then I'll do something with that tomorrow, as well as the mushrooms that I already washed. These are the plates that I'm going to warm up because this was already prepped. And then I just cooked the chicken thighs, and I also made some chicken breasts, and I went ahead and meal prepped 2 more meals. So what we're eating tonight, I have 2 extra. And then I also had some more salmon left over, which I have 2. Yeah, I have 2 salads left that I haven't eaten that was prepped. So as you can see, this is how you stretch whole foods and help and get your meal prep down to a science. It's almost like a head start, right? Because I didn't make any protein at the beginning of the week, but I did have to do some sides. And then now I don't have to do the sides. I only have to make 2 proteins. And that'll last me definitely until Sunday. Maybe even Monday. I don't know. We not wasting stuff around here in 2025.